So this is the first video I'm making, just basically for me, because it's September 1st, 2017, and I'm officially homeless. So this is going to be the first night in the car, which I can't afford. That's how come I'm starting to stay in this car. And that's all it is. It's just a car. It's not a camper. It's not a van. So I'm going to see how this night goes. Take it from there. Nobody's really going to watch this video because it's not entertaining. It's my first one too. I don't see how people do this when they talk to themselves, but I guess it's a form of entertainment. But yeah, it's gonna be my first night in the car. See how it goes. Try this again tomorrow. I'm gonna do this every day, just so I figure out what works best for me and what I could do differently besides stay in this car. Just gonna end this video now. It's 1:30.